patient-centered approach is really what kind of sets our practice apart from a lot of other practices. We are looking for finding ways that the patient can improve their quality of life. Now, the difference in the BioWaveGO technology that is used here is unique in the fact that the electrical stimulation, that's 30-minute treatment that's available with this device, penetrates a little deeper. It helps relieve spasms. It's a very easily used device and has been proven to be very clinically effective.